Too fast. Did you come?
Yeah, I think.
Damn. God. Damn.
Stop it.
So you know why I asked you out here?
To test your truck springs?
No, it's something else. I mean, this time.
Can we go?
I want to ask you to marry me.
Gary will love that.
What if you weren't married to Gary?
But I am.
Oh, well. Well, what if Gary wasn't in the picture?
But he is.
Well, what if Gary's dead? He's in the back of the pickup.
No. He is at work. He has a job.
Not anymore. Yeah.
Did he suffer?
He didn't go quick.
How'd you do it?
Well, just with a lug wrench.
A what wrench?
It's a tire iron. Well,
Well,
my proposal?
oh, come on.
You didn't see this coming? The way I look at you sometimes? The time I stood in the supermarket parking lot to help you with your
I
groceries?
didn't need help. It was just some vegetables and a 6-pack of toilet paper.
Yeah, it wasn't
I didn't
much.
even need a cart. I just carried it out with bags, and the toilet paper has its own handle.
Yeah, I remember. I thought it
Yeah.
would be more than that. That you would appreciate someone coming to help you out.
You know, and Gary was there.
Yeah.
And that wasn't helpful.
He doesn't need to be here.
But I want to help.
Please, just go.
Come on.
Just go. Go!
Hey, fucktard.
What? Why didn't you help
Wait,
her with
you
the
wanna,
groceries?
You want to stop
Why
molesting
didn't
my
you?
wife?
I'm not molesting your wife.
Come on, get in
Don't
the
put your
car.
hands on my
Get
shirt.
her- Go
This
get
is
in the
my
car.
lucky
No, no.
shirt.
Put your hands on my shirt.
She doesn't need your help. She needs your help. You were here to help.
You want to get started?
No, I don't want to start. Let go of my arm.
Hurry right there.
I don't like it.
Hurry right there.
I don't like it at all.
Pete,
Yeah.
do you love Karen?
Yeah. Not as much as you.
How do you know you love me more?
Because she's in the back of the truck. And you're up here.
Ah, jeez. You should have asked me a long time ago.
I know. Yeah. But hey, I'm doing it now, and I am serious. This took guts.
The killing?
Asking you to marry me. And the first time I ever danced with you, you looked at me like I was the only one in the room. It was too late, cuz you were already with fucking Gary.
You picked me up. I shouldn't have done that. Danced like that.
Maybe.
What are you doing to me, Pete? You know, where were you when I was alone? When I was, hungry for men?
I don't know.
And what about my dad? I mean, he's never gonna let us get married.
He's in the back of the truck.
Did he suffer? I remember when Gary asked me to marry him. He was shaking so bad he could barely hold on to his coconut.
What did he take you to, a luau?
Yeah.
That sounds romantic.
Yeah.
Hang on a second. Oh, shit.
Hey,
Hey.
parking lot's closed.
Oh, is that why there's no cars?
It's under the tarp.
Nothing? It's nothing.
Gross.
So, my proposal?
What about your family? They hate me. Every one of them.
The dogs, too.
Why the dogs?
They hated you. Oh, even more so than my wife. I was crapping in the yard anyway. Shit everywhere.
I know.
All the time.
I know.
Crap.
She gets the way I talk, stuttering all. She gets my actual sides, which ain't exactly tall. She gets what's left of my hair, but most of all, she gets me. I get a little shy when she looks my way. I guess I'm still surprised she even knows my name. Must be a million guys, but just the same, she gets me. She gets me. She gets me. She gets